This is my stomping grounds. This is home base for old school trucking memories.
Painted sky in a sunset scene, through the window of a GMC. White lines and lighted signs got me hypnotized. There's nothing like the feel of the road and the smell of the diesel smoke. Another 10 or 20 miles, I'll be pulling in. This thing.
So let's get this show on the road, shall we?
Just laying it down, driving my GMC. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott, Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. On a recent parade that was in the last video that me and Mr. Wizard went to, and we drove the Astro, the 73 Astro Blue Jay, and the 61 Crackerbox. I decided to stop along the way and shoot some more footage at the old truck stop, Keystone Truck Stop, there at Exit 1, just inside PA on I-90, outside of Ohio. So you're about to see some cool footage of both of these trucks, and in the meantime, if you like the old school retro trucks, and trucking and all things related, go ahead and hit the like button if you would, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when I upload, because I upload on different days. I don't go to a set schedule, so you want to hit that bell so you know. So before we get to the trucks, I want to show you something extremely cool that a subscriber brought to me today, and I guess I could just go ahead and say this is the guy that bought Astro Vader. Yes, Astro Vader has been sold, and really no big deal as far as no reasons that I sold it, but I know you guys kind of get attached to things in here, so, you know, I feel like I owe you an explanation. You're my subscribers, and some of you may wonder, oh, geez, I like that truck. Well, I like that truck too. It was nothing that I didn't like about it, but I quickly got myself out of space here when I built this building, and I really need some room because I got to get to my rack, and I do my personal vehicles and things, and so 4 trucks in here was just a little bit packed, and I had to move stuff in order to move something out or whatever, and I didn't really care for that. The last truck that I bought, Blue Jay, was supposed to be a parts truck, and it turned out it ran like a clock. So I fell in love with that truck, so that truck wasn't going anywhere. So of course the Crackerbox ain't going nowhere, and General Mac, the Brigadier, that started it all for doing the trucks. I mean, I had the Pete 352, but I bought that truck after I built this building because I said, hey, I want a winter project and I want to build this cool Brigadier. So anyways, long story short, I still have the Brigadier, the Crackerbox, and the 73 Blue Jay Astro, so I'm going to be hitting up the Brigadier this winter. That's going to be the project. So anyways, the 79 Astro is now sold, and the buyer brought me a very cool picture today, and a little GMC Astro diecast, excellent, to put in the Truckers Lounge to display. But this picture, I mean, he has no idea how much I love this picture. It's just so 70s iconic, and it has the something near and dear to my heart is my relationship with the Lord. And back in the 70s, I remember like the mobile chapels and the pictures where it showed kind of like Jesus overseeing the drivers or whatever, and there was a bumper sticker pretty famous back then that said, God is my co-pilot, and so on and so forth. So at any rate, this picture that he brought to me today just is incredible. I mean, he has no idea how much I love this picture. Is that awesome or what? From 74, Lawrence Crowell. He named it I Am the Light. And it shows Jesus at the wheel, trying to keep that driver safe in the ice storm. So, Joey, I thank you 1,000 times for bringing that to me and for buying Astro Vader. And I can't wait to see Astro Vader doing its thing down south. So, stick around town. You're going to see these two GMCs doing their thing.